Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to analyze Cool Caps Industries IPO. So IPO is opening on March 10th and it closes on 15th. Company is a monopoly in the market and has huge future scope, and company also a first movers advantage moving ahead. Customer base is quite trusted for the company. So this can be a great opportunity for you to create multi-bagger returns if you are long-term investor. So let's get started. Before starting, please subscribe Yoshop channel for analysis of new bonds, NFO, NCD, IPO, ETF, and many more. Also visit yoshop.com and use coupon code YO100 for flat rupees 100 discount on all products you shop, you purchase, and free 1 year GST and ITR e-filing services. So let's go ahead and analyze this IPO now. So Cool Caps Industries is engaged in the business of manufacturing a range of plastic bottles, caps, and closures, such as plastic soda bottle caps, plastic soft drinks bottle caps, plastic minerals bottle caps, and plastic juice bottle caps. It further manufactures embossed, debossed, and printed closures as per customer specifications. The firm also manufactures face masks, that is mask on plus N95 mask and other masks. The firm also engages in the trading of plastic granules such as polyproline granule, high density polyproline granules, low density granules, and linear low density granules, etc. The firm was established in 2015 and it has pan India presence and 189 crore capitalization per capacity per annum and 27% revenue CAGR in financial year 18-19 and financial year 2021. So revenue is growing at 28% and EBITDA margin of the company is 46%, PAT 45%, 17% return on equity in financial year 2021. Coming to the other financial of the company, so total assets of the company are around 5,000 crores and total revenue in financial year 21 was around 3,200 crores, giving profit after tax of 300 crore approx. So company has 10% margin. Objective of this IPO is fund working capital requirements and meet general corporate purposes. So if we see product wise breakup of this IPO, so product wise business breakup, so 64% of the major 64% is manufacturing and rest is trading of granules. And then product wise breakup, other product wise breakup, if you see, major company revenue comes from manufacturing of caps and rest is growing stage businesses of the company. IPO details: IPO opens on 10th of March, closes on 15th of March. It is a book filled issue IPO. Face value is rupees 10 and IPO price is between 36 to 38. So it is quite aggressively priced IPO. Market lot 3,000 shares, minimum 3,000 shares, and it will be listed on SME NSE SME platform. Issue size is of 11 crores, around 30 lakh 60,000 equity shares of rupee 10 will be issued, and basis of allotment date is 21st of March and initiation of refunds 22nd. Credit of shares in Demat 23rd March and IPO listing date is 24th March. Pool caps IPO lot size is 3,000 shares and it will cost around 1,14,000 for every lot. So pre-issue shareholding is 100% of promoters. Post-issue shareholdings is not declared. Order book composition. So major customers of the company are Bisleri, IRCTC, Kingfisher, Patanjali, Clear. So they are all well-established companies and have a great future requirements of the raw material produced by the companies. So investors can, you know, consider this fundamentals of the companies before investing in this IPO, as Bisleri, IRCTC, Kingfisher are never-ending companies and their operations are all will will be will be at growth after COVID-19 pandemic. SWOT analysis, so strength, established manufacturing unit, modern technology plant and machinery leading to increased efficiency and decreased cost, cordial relations with customers, in-depth knowledge in industry, commercial and technical, experienced management and operational team, enthusiastic success of other group companies, opportunities, availability of raw materials at relatively cheaper rate, market development by exploring new geographies, growing demand for caps and closures. So company has large scope for market development considering the scope of product and the use of product in different different products, final use products, weakness, insufficient international market reach, threats, competitive market. There are competitors with wide market access. There are no entry barriers in our industry, so anybody can enter and capture the market, and any change in government policy can cause serious harm to the company. Product scope, so global product scope. If we see, the global plastic caps and closures market size is projected to grow from $44 billion in 2020 to $57 billion by 2025 at CAGR 5.2%. So global market for the products of the company is growing at 5.2%. The global plastic caps and closures market is expected to grow from 37 billion in 2020 to 39 billion in 2021 at CAGR of 7.4%. Indian market is also growing at 18% per annum. So market has a huge scope moving further, and company should look to expand in new geographies. Market dynamics, the demand for plastic caps and closure exhibiting strong strength. Plastic caps are closure and closures are more economical as compared with other materials such as metal and rubber, etc. Help in low transportation cost as plastic is much lighter in weight compared to other materials. So these are few market dynamics for the company. So should you invest in this IPO or not? So the company is operating in highly competitive and fragment segment, though its top line market growth and its bottom line witness pressure on margins based on its current financial data. The issue is fully priced. So risk seeker, risk seeker and cash surplus investor may invest in this IPO who has high risk appetite and long-term wealth creation vision. Companies in business which has high future growth scope and market for expansion is humongous. But considering present capital situation, IPO subscription is quite risky, but stock can be multi-bagger for long-term investors. So now you should consider your risk appetite and wealth creation vision and industry you are interested to invest in, and should invest in this IPO. Thank you.